At this point of time, when one cannot make money out of real estate in any conventional market left in North India, one should understand that the potential markets that one can make money out of it is only and only Dhulera. One should understand also that Dhulera is an event horizon of almost 10 to 12 years as of today. It was proposed in 2009, passed in 2012, land was allotted in 2012, and now it is one of the most exponential city or expanding city in India right now. On the other hand, if you have an event horizon of around 1.5 or 2 years, you should not be thinking about investing in real estate, but to invest in any other stocks or cryptocurrency. If you can have an event horizon of around 7 to 10 years, you should invest in cities like Dhulera, which are giving you promising returns on your investments. And one should choose Santushti Realtors and Developers for choosing their best investments and understanding Dhulera much better.